In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a calling account in Google Meet. Understanding how to manage your accounts on various platforms is essential in maintaining digital organization and security. Let's jump right in and guide you through this process step by step. First things first, ensure you're utilizing a capable device with an active internet connection. Starting from your preferred internet browser, go to the Google homepage. You'll see a grid icon in the top right corner. That's your shortcuts menu for Google Apps. Click on it and look for the Google Meet icon. This is your gateway to managing any meetings you've set up. Once you're on the Google Meet main page, make sure you're logged into the account you wish to manage. This is crucial because the process you'll follow next is account-specific, so double-check to avoid making changes to another account. Now that you've confirmed you're in the right account, head over to the top right corner again where you'll find your profile picture or your initials. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you want to navigate to Manage Your Google Account. This will open a new page specifically dedicated to settings and personal preferences. When you're in the Google account settings, there'll be a menu on the left-hand side. Here, you need to find and click on Data and Privacy. It's an important step because this hub holds your account's data and activity. With the Data and Privacy section open, scroll down until you find History Settings. In this section, your activity data is stored and managed. Under History Settings, you should focus on Manage Activity links presented next to various options. Once you're in Manage Activity, start looking for any Google Meet-specific settings. This might include logs or information shared through Google Meet. Deletion of these logs is an action that can further aid in removing any connected calling activities or data. For those of you who are looking to entirely remove any trace of your calling activity, consider utilizing the delete options available within your activity controls. This removes your active call data synchronized through other Google apps and helps in maintaining a clean state in your calling history. Now, remember this: deleting data could be irreversible, so always be sure of the data that you're going to erase. Go through any confirmation windows that appear and follow the prompts cautiously. Make sure you truly want each deletion, as some actions cannot be undone. And that's it. Your Google Meet calling account activity should now be thoroughly reviewed, and you've initiated the cleanup you needed. Always ensure to log out once you're done to protect your settings from unintended changes. I hope you found this guide useful. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.